Guys, so this is how I ended up on a boat with 5 guys in the middle of South India. All thanks to another random guy who told me about this paradise he went to. Now, at first I was skeptical. I mean, this place was 40 minutes outside the main city, in villages. Someone please ask me how I had the balls to do this, because I really do not know. But it ended up turning into the best experience of my life. And I have been traveling for almost a year now, so best is kind of hard to top. But when you go out on alone and travel like locals, with locals, and experience memories that you tell your kids one day, you think, maybe I'll stay an extra day. So follow if you want to see how that went. But I mean, we were in villages in South India going on a boat ride, and this is how it went.